Unity, Godot, Unreal Engine. What's the difference? Let's start with Unity. Unity is a powerful game engine used for developing 2D, 3D, and virtual reality games across multiple platforms. Launched in 2005 by Unity Technologies, Unity has become one of the most popular game engines in the industry. Due to its user-friendly interface, comprehensive asset store, Unity's scripting is primarily done in C#, making it accessible for those familiar with object-oriented programming, while its component-based architecture allows developers to build complex games by attaching scripts and behaviors to objects within the game world. One of Unity's key advantages is its ability to deploy projects across a wide range of platforms with minimal adjustments, making it a go-to engine for cross-platform development. Beyond gaming, Unity is also widely used in fields like architecture and simulations, offering real-time rendering capabilities and tools for creating interactive experiences. With a vast community and extensive documentation, Unity provides a flexible and accessible framework for bringing creative visions to life. Godot is an open-source game engine known for its flexibility, ease of use, and strong community support, making it a popular choice for indie game developers and hobbyists. Released in 2014, Godot allows for the creation of both 2D and 3D games and is distinguished by its scene system, where game elements are organized into a tree structure of reusable nodes. This modular approach simplifies game development, enabling developers to create complex behaviors by composing scenes out of smaller, interchangeable parts. Godot uses its own scripting language, GDScript, which is designed to be lightweight and easy to learn, though it also supports other languages like C# and VisualScript. One of Godot's standout features is its completely free and open-source nature, with no licensing fees or royalties, allowing developers full control over their projects. Its cross-platform capabilities mean that games can be deployed to a wide range of platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, and web browsers. With its active community, frequent updates, and strong emphasis on user autonomy, Godot has grown into a powerful and accessible tool for game development across a variety of genres. Unreal Engine is a highly advanced and widely used game engine developed by Epic Games, known for its cutting-edge graphics capabilities and robust toolset for creating immersive, high-quality 3D games and interactive experiences. First released in 1998, Unreal Engine has become a cornerstone in the gaming industry, powering many blockbuster titles and enabling developers to produce visually stunning environments and detailed animations. The engine is renowned for its real-time rendering, photorealistic visuals, and support for high-end technologies like ray tracing and virtual reality (VR). Unreal Engine uses C++ for scripting, offering powerful control over performance and behavior, but also includes a visual scripting system called Blueprints, which allows developers to create complex game logic without writing code. One of the engine's key strengths is its scalability, making it suitable for both small indie projects and large-scale games. In addition to gaming, Unreal Engine is used in a variety of industries, including film, architecture, and simulation, thanks to its real-time rendering and ability to produce highly realistic environments. With its extensive features, strong support, and free-to-use model with royalty-based licensing, Unreal Engine continues to be a dominant force in the world of game development and beyond.